Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone privacy and security settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to stop any apps from accessing or tracking your location on your Android phone. There are a lot of apps on your Android phone that actually have access to your location and you may not know. In this video, I will show you on how to fix the problem and how you can stop some of irrelevant apps from tracking or access your location on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. Having opened up your Android phone settings, next thing you want to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to privacy right here. Go ahead and click on privacy. And here you go. Next thing you want to do is scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to app permissions. Go ahead and click on that. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down until you get to location right here. Go ahead and click on location. Then you have all apps that are having access to your location on your Android phone. You can review and remove as many as possible irrelevant apps from having access to your location. Like for instance, this particular apps here are all having access to my location. If I want to stop them from having access to my location, like VHGate right here, EB right here, once you click on the app, location data may be shared. This app stated it may share your location data with a third party. So this is very much important. What you need to do right here is to click on don't allow right here. So by the time you click on don't allow and you go back to your permission location, you can see the app will no longer be found right here. You can review as many possible apps that are having access to your location if you find out that some of the apps are not trustworthy. Review as many as possible and deny them from having access to your location tracking. Like this particular app right here, go ahead and click on don't allow, then go back. You are doing all this to protect and improve your privacy and security on your Android devices. You can review as many as possible apps from these sections right here and find out anyone that is not trustworthy to have access to your location. Disallow them. Anyone that is trustworthy from having access to your location, simply allow them. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Android devices, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.